Hello students. So today we will discuss chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Okay. So there is a Cartesian plane. In this chapter we have to use graph. So if you don't have graph, make on your rough copy only. Okay. Here it is 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and as it is. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Here also -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So this horizontal line and this vertical line. So horizontal line, here it is known as x-axis and this will be x dash. Okay, this is y-axis and downward y dash. So this Cartesian plane is divided into 4th quadrant. So first quadrant is this, second quadrant is this, third quadrant is this, and fourth quadrant is this. This center O or 0 is called origin. Okay, here we have two things. First is abscissa and second one is ordinate, and when we write both it's called coordinate. Let's say abscissa is x and ordinate is y. So this whole thing is coordinate. This whole thing is coordinates. So let's take one example. Let's say 3, 4. So if you want to check the point 3, 4, this 3 is x. It means x-axis. Abscissa is on x-axis. Ordinate means y-axis. So 3. See here, where is 3? So positive 3 is on x-axis is here. This is x-axis line. Here it is negative. Here it is positive. So we will take positive. Now 4 on y-axis. So y-axis is this. Here it is 4. Here it is -4. But we want 4. So we will make a dotted line from there and from here also, where the both point meets perpendicularly. That will call 3, 4. Let's take one more example. Let's see -2, 4. Okay, so -2 on x-axis. So x-axis is this. Where is -2? Here. This is -2 and 4. So 4 is here. So make one perpendicular line up to 4 and draw a perpendicular. This is 90 degree. It should be perpendicular and this point is called -2, 4. Let's say 2, 0. Okay, so 2 is on x-axis. So x-axis 2 is here and y-axis is 0 only. So here is 0 only. So this point only will call 2, 0. This point is called 2, 0. Let's take 0, 2. So 0 on x-axis. So x-axis 0 means here and 2 on y-axis. So here. So this point only will call 0, 2. So like this we express first x-axis and secondly y-axis in xy form. This is called abscissa. This is called ordinate and the whole thing is called coordinates. Okay. So like this we will solve all the questions. Let's see. Let's make again the quadrants. This is first, this is second, this is third and this is fourth. In first quadrant, x and y both will be positive. In second equation, x will be negative and y will be positive. In third equation, x and y x will also be negative and y will also be negative. In fourth equation, x and y, x will be positive and y will be negative. Why? Because this is positive, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive. So this is x, this is y, so negative, and this is positive. Here both are negative, so both the coordinates will be negative. Here this is positive, this is negative, so this will give positive and this will give negative. So here we have one question. How will you describe, let's see, exercise 3.1, question number first. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? Okay, let's take one table. This is a table. Okay, so question is given that how will you describe the position of the table on your study table, position of a lamp on your study table to another person. Okay, let's take table lamp is here, table lamp is here, and I am sitting here. Okay, I am sitting here. So the distance from here to here, let's take 9. Generally you can take anything. Here I am taking 9, and this distance let's take 4. So what we will write in answer? So answer of this question will be table lamp is 9 unit away. We don't have any unit, so we have write 9 unit. Okay, away from the sitting place and 4 units away from the left side. It means this is 9 unit from sitting place, and from left side it is 4. So let's see the axis. This will be on x-axis and this will be on y-axis. Always horizontal line shows x-axis and vertical line shows y-axis. So coordinates for the table, what will be the coordinates? 4, 9, because on x-axis we have 4 and on y-axis we have 9. So by this you can solve the question. Let's see second question. I am just reading, you check the question from the book because it is very long. A city has 2 main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. Okay, let's say this is 2 roads. Okay, this is west, east, north and south. Okay, so question is, these 2 roads are along north-south direction and east-west direction. Okay, all the streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meter apart. There are about 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. So we will draw 1 centimeter line here. Let's say 1, 2, take one more, 3. We have to draw 5 lines. Okay, 5 parallel lines. 4, and here also 5. Now like this also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so further question is saying this distance should be of 1 centimeter. Okay, you will draw on your graph or take scale and draw it on your rough copy. Okay, So represent the road street by single lines. There are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross street is made by two streets, one running in north-south direction and another is east-west direction. See, this all are in north-south direction and this all are in east-west direction. Each cross street is referred to in the north-south direction and another in east-west direction. Each cross street is referred to in the following manner. If the second street running in the north-south direction, let's take second street in north-south direction. This is second, okay, in north-south direction, and fifth in the east. Okay, so fifth one in the east. This is second and fifth. Where is fifth? Let's give this name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and here also. Here we have drawn one more. Cancel this. Only up to 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No need of this. Okay. Now 5 lines. Now it is saying that if the second street running in the north-south direction of the fifth in the east, second and fifth in the east, means this. Okay. So this will be 2, 5, because in x direction it is 2 and in y direction it is 5. So using this convention, find how many cross street can be referred as 4, 3. So where is 4, 3? This is 4 and 3. Here there will be 4, 3. Mark it. And in next question, only one cross street referred to as 3, 4. So 3 is here and 4 is here. Here it is 3, 4. So you will mark it in your graph copy. Okay, or in copy taking 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. Check the question from the book. It's too long. That's why I have not written on the copy. Okay, it's exercise 3.1 second question. And if you have any problem, you can ask. Okay, thank you.